Today I'm going to show you how to take a photo from a video in CapCut, step by step, so you can grab any exact frame you want and save it as a high quality image. This is super useful if you want to capture a thumbnail idea, save a moment from a clip, or turn a video frame into a still image for your project. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut and move your playhead to the exact moment in the video that you want to capture. The playhead is the vertical line on your timeline, and this part matters because the frame you choose is the frame you'll export. Take your time here and scrub through the video carefully until you find the perfect moment. If you need to be more precise, you can use the playback controls to pause on the exact frame you want. Once you've located the frame, look at the upper right-hand corner of the player or preview window. There you should see the three horizontal lines, often called the burger menu. Click on that menu to open the available options. This is where CapCut keeps a few extra tools that are really helpful when you want to work with a specific frame from your video. From the drop-down menu, click on Export Still Frame. This is the feature that lets you take a photo directly from the video without needing any extra software or complicated steps. After you select it, CapCut will open a pop-up window with several settings so you can customize how your image will be saved. Now let's go through those settings one by one. First, you'll see Name, where you can change the file name to something easy to remember. This is helpful if you're exporting multiple still frames and want to keep your files organized. Next is Export To, where you choose the folder on your computer where the image will be saved. Pick a location that's easy for you to find later, like your desktop, Downloads folder, or a dedicated project folder. After that, you'll see Resolution. This lets you choose the image quality, and you can usually select from options like 480p all the way up to 4K, depending on your source video and export needs. If you want a sharper image for thumbnails, presentations, or content creation, go with the highest quality available. Then there's Format, where you can choose between JPEG and PNG. JPEG is great for smaller file sizes, while PNG is often preferred if you want better image quality and more editing flexibility. You may also see an option called Import to Project. If you check this box, CapCut will automatically bring the extracted photo into your current media library or timeline, which is really useful if you want to keep editing with that still image right away. If you don't need it in the project immediately, you can leave it unchecked. Once everything is set the way you want it, click the Export button to save the snapshot to your computer. CapCut will then create the still image from the exact video frame you selected. After that, you can open the file, use it in your edits, upload it, or share it however you want. And that's it. That's how to take a photo from a video in CapCut quickly and easily. It's a simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time when you need a clean image from a video without starting over. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.